Hello everyone. Are you looking for digital marketing course? Then you are on the right platform. AADME is the best digital marketing platform where you can learn the advanced digital marketing course for a period of 4.5 months. At AADME, you can learn various topics like website designing, Google search ads, YouTube video making, etc. And we have at AADME we can improve our video marketing also. We have a 21 days rise up challenge at AADME. Apart from this, we have lifetime access for LMS, and we have a lifetime support team. If we forget anything regarding the topics, we can go back to the LMS and we can see the videos and we can regain the knowledge again. And if we stuck during the assignments and all, we can reach out the supporting by raising a help link so that the admin will call us and clarify our doubts. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and book a free trial